Now we have already seen that the decision to hire a wrong candidate can cost heavily to the company. But the decision to join the wrong job or wrong company may cost an entire career to the candidate. Hence, the interview process must be mutual, and so must be the decision. The company takes its measures to ensure that only the best candidate is hired. So you must also make a conscious effort to get into a job and company best suited to your career growth, as you have planned. They call you, meet with you and ask questions. You just have to prepare and ask questions when given the opportunity. And you do get the chance when recruiter asks you at the end, do you have any questions? Or it's your dime. And he did not ask it just for the sake of asking. This is the last step in completing his judgment for you, as he wants to know if you are really conscious and serious about your career plans you just laid out, and you really want to judge if this company and the role fits as per your plans. Your intelligence in striking a conversation was based on what you already know about the company, that is, how well you researched about the company. And finally, after the exhausting interview session of last 1 hour or so, are you still mentally balanced to ask the right questions? So what does that mean? That means that you also should not ask questions just for the sake of asking. And what should you do? You should prepare. Now there are 5 types of questions that you must ask in an interview. Ask about company's future plans, competition analysis, upcoming products, etc. Identify the information vital to your career goals, which is not provided by company website, like promotion criteria, working hours, or the hierarchical setup. Prepare the questions regarding the same. Ask about the department and its importance in the entire business. Also ask about the person who filled this position prior to you and his reason of leaving. Identify the gaps in the job description and roles and responsibilities, and frame questions so that you can get a better clarity on the role. For example, does this role involve leading a team, and how important will be my decision in selecting my team? Ask for the next step and about the forthcoming rounds of interviews. But there are also 5 types of questions that you should never ask in an interview. Don't ask questions related to company and its business. You should have researched it already. It's all available on company website. Never ask for any confidential information. Now who's going to give you that anyway? But you would end up proving yourself foolish enough to have asked for that. Never ask for salary range, perks, benefits, etc. You just said that money was not the main concern for you. Moreover, who said you have been offered yet? Let them make the first move and then negotiate. Don't ask for interviewers' personal information except a business card. Don't ask interviewer out. Come on dude, it's an official meeting. Although employing the methods above, you can create very specific and intelligent list of questions. But still, as a ready reference, I am providing you with a list of best questions to ask in an interview. But before you move on and make your final list, remember that you would not have all the time to ask as many questions as you would want to. So select the most relevant questions out of that list. Some of the questions may have already got answered during the course of interview. So don't make the mistake of repeating, else you would come across as inattentive. Also remember to ask open-ended questions, which persuade the recruiter to speak more openly rather than answering them in simple yes or no. You may ask the best in your case questions out of the given list, or frame your own based on your research and requirement, because you would sound as intelligent and prepared as the intelligent questions you would ask. Good luck.